Hey guys, welcome back. This video is special for someone who just asked me, who just wanted to know how long it takes me to turn on my chainsaw without editing. When it's cold, when I don't use it for a few days, how much tries do I need to turn on? So yeah, let's show you now. Sometimes I need a few more times, sometimes I need longer, sometimes it's just so quick. Yeah, we'll see. Let's go and look it. I got a saw, gas, and a new chain. First I'm just gonna change the chain, and then we'll see how much it takes me to turn on this. Okay, now let's see this. I got a new chain. I got full of gas, full of oil, and it's cold one. So I'm gonna turn this on. I didn't turn this on about, I don't know, almost a week. So it is cold and we're gonna see, and you're gonna see how long this takes me to get turn on. So let's do this. Yeah, I know, sometimes it just takes me that long, even longer. Just a little bit. Okay, one more. Oh, come on. You see now? And that's it. It takes me 2 minutes to turn it on when it's cold. Now you got the answer. And that is it for this vlog. I'm not gonna edit, so you're gonna see just like this. Bye! I'm going on a work now. I'm going to cut some trees now, so see you in some other vlog. Bye guys!